Welcome back, teachers, to another exciting lesson. Today we're diving deep into the world of brand elements, where we'll explore everything from logos to colours and fonts. Just like avocado on toast or TikTok and dance moves, business names and logos are the perfect pair. A great name is just the beginning. Now let's talk logos. They go hand in hand with business names and appear everywhere. On packaging, posters, and especially on social media. As our students design their logos, we want to keep a few key principles in mind. Simplicity, memorability, timelessness, versatility, and appropriateness. Encourage your students to take on the challenge of designing a logo for their school. It's a great way to practice these principles and unleash their creativity. Brands often use colour to evoke certain emotions or feelings. Just think about Tiffany & Co.'s iconic blue or Cadbury's regal purple. Colours play a crucial role in brand identity, so it's essential for students to consider what emotions they want their brand to evoke. Next, lead a discussion about well-known brands and their use of colour. Encourage students to brainstorm different colours and the emotions they represent. This exercise helps students understand the power of colour in branding. For example, red for excitement, pink for sweetness, green for growth. The possibilities are endless. Students can use these associations to choose colours that align with their brand's values and messaging. Now it's time to build a colour scheme for your brand. Start by choosing a base colour that reflects your business, then add accent colours that complement it. Don't forget about neutral colours for background or text. Try this out on Canva. In fact, Canva Colour Palette Generator is a fantastic tool for this. Typography is another crucial element of brand identity. Fonts have their own personalities and can evoke specific feelings or messages. Encourage students to choose fonts that reflect their brand's tone and style, whether it's modern and bold or elegant and classic. Guide students through the process of choosing fonts that complement their brand identity. This step adds depth and personality to their brand's visual identity. Finally, it's time to bring it all together and create your logo. Whether you're using Canva or your own artwork, let your creativity flow. Experiment with icons, word marks, and different design elements until you find the perfect fit for your brand. And there you have it, fellow educators. By guiding our students through the process of creating brand elements, we empower them to unleash their creativity and build strong, memorable brands. So let's continue inspiring the next generation of entrepreneurs together. Until next time, happy teaching. Remember to visit the Enterprising Girls website and grab the entire lesson plan for free. You'll find the link in the description below. We provide an online classroom where you can monitor your students' progress, access curriculum links, and streamline reporting. Explore it at enterprisinggirls.com.au by clicking on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.